Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs, and I also give daily private job notifications, so you will be beneficiate from our channel. If you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe our channel because you will get daily job notification, career guidance as well as interview tips. Today's job notification has come from Tata Communication. So it is a group of company of Tata. So it is very good opportunity to all of you. They are hiring junior executive position, any degree, any graduate can apply for this job. Yeah, you were hiring and you will be hired for this particular company, Tata Communication. They are hiring junior executive position. We will discuss in detail in this video. So if you have come first time in our channel, please hit the subscribe button. Okay. So degree needed is graduate in any discipline, as I have mentioned already, and it is a company with a billion of investment in this company. You all know about Tata, yeah. So degree required is graduate in any discipline. Experience required is 0 to 2 years experience. That means freshers can apply for this job. Any degree can apply. Work location will be Chennai. Other requirements: you have to be able to apply broad knowledge of one area within telecom network operation and maintenance, or advanced knowledge in specific professional practices. Checks for problems in existing system. The operational role in responsible for achieving day-to-day objectives. Works under direct supervision. No prior work related experience required. Okay, so it is a good thing, no prior work related experience required. Okay, and your job description and responsibilities are also mentioned here. You will be responsible for creating, maintaining infrastructure necessary for the growth and upkeep of the field and network operation. Data center, ATM site, cable handling station, NW space to drive network efficiency, availability, drive the procurement and technical planning for TG and submarine cables. As you know, Tata Communication is a network based company, so they will involve you in this particular role. You have to correct mission critical utility infrastructure problem effectively, ensuring necessary coordination. Don't take OD, you will be trained. Okay, so you will be a coordination with technical teams for new enhancement, establishes tools, procedures to monitor field operations performance, maintain critical power, ensuring compliance with regulatory stipulations. So lots of things you will do there. It is a very good opportunity. So salary will be minimum 4 LPA to 5 LPA. Okay, so you have to click on apply link if you really interested. I will give this application link in my description box, and it is the career website of Tata Communication. So you can see the post name is Junior Customer Service Executive, Telecom Network Operation Maintenance. You can once again go through the notification, and if you are interested, you need to click on apply now. Okay, if you have LinkedIn profile, you can directly sign in with LinkedIn account and directly apply for the job, and you can also click on apply now. Okay, so if you have clicked on apply now, the application form will be open to you. So you can see the form is loading. If you have already account, then you have to sign in with your email address and password. If you are not a registered candidate, then you have to click on not a registered new user yet. So create account. So the form will be open to you of the creation account. You click here the email address, retype it and choose your password by maintaining these rules: your first name, last name, country, phone number. Then you have to create your account. So after that, you have to again sign in and apply for the junior executive job. So as the last date is not mentioned, you have to apply as early as possible. So if you think really it is helpful to you and it is beneficial for you, please hit the like button for this video, and also share it and subscribe our channel, and make our channel as popular as you can, because we provide this video for you guys, for help you guys. So thank you friends, keep motivating us, keep subscribing us. We will meet in next video with new job updates.